Hi, friends. I am on working on a project. I don't have a DVD or CD burner or player on my computer. So about a year ago, I purchased this external DVD reader writer, and it has been sitting hidden away while I try and get some other things accomplished. And I just decided, even though I've got so many other things I'm working on, with the parasite and my mother's book and life history and things with my kids, that I wanted to do something for myself. The music on my phone has been transferred for the last 15 years or so forward, and it has not changed. I have not put any new songs on it. Now, I've got this antique chest, ice chest, that has all our DVD or CD cases in it. And these are too deep, and all of those I have finished. They were in these cases, and all of those are transferred over. And then I came down last night thinking I was pretty close to being done, and I am not. So, um, these are ones that I also have finished that are not in the cases, and then these are all the ones in the cases. So those ones are all done. And then I found these stacks, and also there is three times that there's two more that I took them up in bags, and so those are up by the computer waiting to be written. But I've got all of these. And all of those ones are karaoke. I don't know that I will change those over to DVD. We just have the little karaoke player that the kids use. But these are all actual CDs that I listen to over the years and I really enjoy, but they haven't been on my phone. And then I don't have a CD player handy anymore, pretty much in any room. I used to have one in every room, and not now. So I am in the middle of transferring all those over. So I thought I was almost done. And then I still have some also when I do massages or cranial sacral for family and friends. I have a stack of more alternative ethereal music, I guess, in the other room, which I will do those as well. So I can just have them with me when I maybe ever need to do something not in the massage area. So there's a plenty to keep me busy, and I wanted to share that with you because that's a whole heck of a lot of stuff. But I'm trying to focus on doing something for myself, and so that is something for myself. And this CD player external one has worked really well. The only thing I find is that it won't immediately grab the songs and the title of the CD. You have to kind of refresh it, and then it will work. So the first couple, I was typing in all the songs, and I thought, I don't have time for this. And then I learned that I could just refresh it, and it will pick them up most of the time. So that was happy news. So anyway, I'm excited about that. Just wanted to share that project because I'm trying to do something for myself. So anyway, thanks for watching. I'm going to write a blog on it and put a little bit more of information about how I'm organizing them. So like I've got Broadway, I've got kids songs, I've got kids religious songs, so they could listen to more on a Sunday. We had a lot of kids songs and a lot of kids CDs over the years because all of my kids they loved music, so they would each get a CD for each birthday or Christmas. So we have a lot of VeggieTales. We have, like, there's Prince of Egypt right there. Um, there's just a ton of kids music. So that I've got it organized. Mostly those are the three categories that I have. And then the rest are just by singer. And the reason I'm doing it that way is because a lot of the kids ones aren't people you'd recognize. You'd recognize the title. So I've just got those categorized. And then the Broadway ones. We have a lot of Broadway, and most of those are already done. But so anyway, that's how I'm organizing it, and wanted to share that. And so check out my blog for that post. Thanks for watching, and have a blessed day.